Now we are entering towards one main temple and most important temple of this place, Hampi. So tell me about this temple.
So this is a Virupaksha temple we are going, and you can see the gateway of the Virupaksha temple, very tall, very long, 54-meter height, 11 floors, and it has stairs to go inside, but now not allowed. Three-headed, Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva. First Pradatita, Satyam, Shivam, Sundaram.
Lot of people today in the temple because it's Saturday. So there are many people visiting the temple today. This is the main arch tower of the temple. Yes, sir.
Before it was painting, it looked like that, sir, black color.
Okay.
Now it has been painted, so it looks new. The grand entrance, main entrance, east entrance, the Virupaksha temple, Dravidian style, South Indian style.
What's the height of this?
54-meter in height.
54 meter in
11
height.
floors.
So do we have access to get on to
There are
the
steps
top?
inside, but tourists not allowed.
Tourists
you can go
not
up to there
allowed.
by steps. Inside is Karana Mandapa. Still weddings happening. There is Utsav Mandapa.
This is the second entrance built by Krishna Devaraya. Wow, look at this. Looks awesome. Wow, there is an elephant here.
You can see inner courtyard. Now we are in inner courtyard of Virupaksha temple complex. You can see Deepastamba there. You can see Gajastamba. You can see Nandi Mandapa. In the middle where people are going, that is a Kalyana Mandapa where weddings happen.
Okay.
And there side pillar hall, that is a dormitory hall to sleep, rest. Here also dormitory hall. Inside kitchen and dining is there. Pakshala, kitchen and dining is there. And temple elephant you can see.
Oh, during puja time they ring this drum. It's made of leather. This is another entrance or exit. We can use it as. There's something written here, Vallarappa. There are some old bells here. All these temples of different gods and goddess. This is Pampa Devi. One more god here. Hindu god. And now we are approaching towards one very most interesting point here.
ಆ ಗೋಡೆಗೆ ಆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗೋಪುರದ ನೆರಳು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ.
Yes, sir.
ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸಂಜೆ ಆದ ತನಕ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಉದಯ.
The light what is passing through is coming to this part and falling on a wall inside the temple, which is looking like a camera view. Oh yes, sir.
This is a Garbhagriha. Very old, 11th and 12th century plants.
Okay.
ವಿಜಯನಗರ. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ವಿಜಯನಗರ.
Oh, okay. So all these temples are not just built in one period, but gradually, step by step, year by year. What are those, sir?
Those are erotic figures.
Oh, okay. Other day you were explaining same concept. All temples we get to see such details.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಹರ್ಬಲ್ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್, ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಕ್
Superb.
ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್. ಯಾವುದೇ ಗಿಡಮೂಲಿಕೆಗಳಿಂದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಹರ್ಬಲ್ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್, ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಕ್ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್.
So completely paintings done.
on the ceilings.
Even that one, sir?
Yeah, that is also Yasna Bhakta Markade. That is a Bhakta Markade.
Oh, that's great.
ಮಾಡಿ.
But the color is also like
Gold color.
gold color itself. No, not repainted or something.
ಇದು ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಮಂಟಪ.
Oh my God! Look at this paintings. This is completely made of natural painting using herbal products. It seems. Lot of paintings on the roof as well. This is a chowdhury actually. Wedding hall, marriage hall. This is the main temple, Virupaksha, where we find the Virupaksha's idol. Another form of Shiva. Shiva has been worshipped in form of Lingu.
Description of coronation of Krishna Deva.
This is one detail of coronation of King Krishna Devaraya.
This is the first temple. Even before Vijayanagara also it was there and worship happened. During Vijayanagara also it became a prime temple. And Virupaksha is the patronage deity of all the rulers. Virupaksha means the main deity for Vijayanagara rulers. So patronage deity. And Vijayanagara time, all the kings made a contribution. Slowly it became bigger and bigger. Even downfall after Vijayanagara also still worshipping. We are also worshipping today.
Okay.
So that is the important working temple, light temple, Shiva temple, a main god, prime god.
So it's a must visit location,
Must
and
visit location. In
whoever
Hampi.
comes to Hampi will not go without visiting this temple.
Virupaksha. That's a famous name and famous day for this temple.
ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ನ ಒತ್ತೋದನ್ನ ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ.